Sellers World has been awesome, really great community, everyone here helping each other, sharing tips.
The speakers here have been sharing a lot about different brand building strategies, list building strategies, and really taking your business to the next level.
This is the first Sellers World Conference. We've almost hit capacity our first year. Similar size to what it was for Affiliate World, the first show. And we've got almost 500 attendees here today.
I think they've done it really good. And they've basically done the morning as like sort of beginner level, and then they've gone into the afternoon now with much more advanced.
It's a full suite approach of content. We've got beginner's workshop in the morning where you're gonna set up your account, product research, shipping and fulfillment, how to buy an Amazon store. And then the whole second half of the day was intermediate to advanced content with speakers like Howard Tai, Zach Franklin, Tim Jordan.
I actually got a lot of value out of this conference, so it's definitely worth a visit for affiliates, especially if you're trying to diversify your income and get some more consistency going.
So the percent of affiliates at Sellers World Conference is about 1/3 at this point. Most of those being beginners, whether they've tested out on Amazon or not. The rest are Amazon sellers, so there's still a lot of work that affiliates need to be doing to get into the Amazon game. So we'll likely have to throw another Amazon event next year in 2020.
As far as getting started on Amazon, especially if you're in the affiliate marketing, I think you have an advantage because many Amazon sellers are just stuck inside the Amazon ad world where you know how to drive third-party traffic there.
So if you're wondering how much it would cost to start an Amazon FBA business specifically, there's really two answers. If you're building from scratch, you could probably start one as cheaply as $5,000 to $15,000. I've seen people do it for less. It is more difficult if you're on the lower end of that spectrum. The other thing you can do if you want to get into the game, if you have more capital than you have time, you can also look at just buying an FBA business that's already making money. You could buy a FBA business that's having a cash flow around $2,000 net per month for right around 40 to 50,000 USD, and a lot of that foundation is already built for you.
So as far as what product to sell, it's obviously the most popular question, but I usually recommend people to don't put too much money into inventory because the big difference of Amazon FBA and affiliate marketing or dropshipping is you have to invest in inventory. So I recommend to start with small quantities, but you don't want to put a 1,000-piece order for your first time before you know the product is even going to sell. So try to buy wholesale. Don't worry about saving money on the product cost quantity. Don't bargain so low. Just test.
Try and be unique. So most people are teaching to look on Amazon and see what's selling good. For me, this is totally the wrong way to go about it. Yeah, you can look at this, but definitely don't copy what's selling good. Because while you're looking at it, probably there's another 20 people looking at it as well. And by the time you've got a product out, you've got another 20 people also got to put it out. So my tip for you is find what's selling good, but then look for what's missing from Amazon. By researching other channels like Instagram, Pinterest, Etsy, research what's selling good on them channels that's not selling on Amazon at the moment.
But really the big thing I see a lot of people get stuck with is they never take action. They're always researching for the product. They're trying to find that magic product. But my biggest tip is you're probably going to be wrong on your first product. I was wrong on my first product, but it's about learning the process. An Amazon seller or an e-commerce seller, their main job is always to add new product. That's how you grow. You add product. You're going to experiment, you're going to fail, you're going to learn, and you're going to grow. But you got to keep executing and keep adapting. That's why you start with a small amount at the beginning and learn and adapt and then grow.
We are sellers on Amazon and we sell handmade Vietnamese product. You can see this is one of the products we sell on Amazon.
We sell lots of different types of gadgets. Right now we have a dog supplement company that we're putting a lot of effort into. So
the most important thing is that you should pay attention to the product quality, because when people buy the products from you, if the product is good quality, then they will return to buy another product.
We don't actually do any giveaways, which is like pretty unusual. Most people are teaching like strategies of giving products away, heavily discounted, you know, like how to compete. Like I said earlier, we come in there with a unique product people are looking for and that sells. So a good example is on Amazon, you've got the autocomplete. So you start to write in the search field and basically Amazon will promote you what to put in there. If you can find products that come up in there that Amazon returns no results, basically, that you can't find them, that means that you have normally a golden product, you know, because people are coming to Amazon, they're searching for it and it's not for sale on there.
Do some research. There's tools like Jungle Scout, Helium 10, or they call it Amazon keyword tool searches. Of course, if it's an easy, cheap product, then you're probably gonna have a lot of competitors. If it's a big and heavy, oversized product, maybe you won't have as many competitors because it's more difficult.
And one other strategy is, so we go into some markets where, let's say the sellers are selling between $11 and $15. We come in with a luxury product, maybe $30 in that same spot. And what that helps you do is you've got a lot more money than advertising than any of your competitors. Let's say your competitors have got $4 profit and you've got $11 or $12 profit, yeah? You can afford to spend much more money on advertising. They can never get the advertising slots back from you. You can pretty much own all the advertising on the Amazon page.
If you're a new seller in Amazon, it's very important to get reviews right away. Usually you might get 1 review out of 100 sales. I bet you made that experience. So with us, you can get 10 reviews out of 10 sales. Our product testers will buy your product for the full amount of money in Amazon. And after the tester will receive the product, he will rate the product. So it will be a verified purchase. It's a regular sale in Amazon.
It seems basic, but having your listing retail ready, which is an Amazon word, is really important. And part of that is having all your images fully built out. And so we like to have the great product shot, of course, but then we go the extra mile and make sure that all our image slots are filled with mobile perspective images that have infographic sort of details over it, key benefits, features, product details, etc. And it really goes the extra mile in helping increase your conversion rate on your listing. At Sourceable, we have a ton of Amazon VAs, specialists that are accredited in sponsored ads and creating listings, listing optimizations and images and everything to help you increase the conversion rate of your listings and manage your whole back end at Amazon without having to increase your overhead by hiring full-time employees or dealing with any flaky freelancers.
I sell products mostly through media buying, so we have Facebook traffic, Google traffic, a lot of affiliate traffic, and that's one of the big reasons why we came to the Amazon conference is consistency. Being able to sort of set things up once and then have a hands-off approach and just let it run and do its thing is what appeals to me and why I came here.
What I like about Amazon, if you're familiar with the whole affiliate marketing game, you're doing paid media buys, creating your campaigns, the nice thing about FBA, you're building a more long-term business. It's not just a campaign that you're doing that's going to last 2-3 months and then you don't have a profitable campaign for 7-8 months. Instead, you're selling real tangible products that you own, that you helped source on Amazon's platform. They take care of a lot of the stuff for you. So it's like e-commerce on training wheels in a lot of ways. And you don't have to worry about whether the campaign's just going to burn out because you control the campaigns. You control everything from start to finish, supplier to the marketing channel and then to the remarketing channel.
Amazon is an amazing opportunity for you to build an actual business that becomes an asset, and that asset can generate income as well as is exitable, and you can sell that to help you achieve your financial freedom.
I love selling on Amazon for the stability overall, but just being able to have a platform that has such power once you really know how to harness it, really increase your conversion rate and show up at the top of the ranking. It's just immeasurable. It's so cool.
So the big question is what's going to happen once the affiliates find out about Amazon selling, and that was the big question that I was having most discussions with at Affiliate World just the other day. And Howard, one of our main speakers, who's an Amazon seller, purely Amazon seller, was terrified. He said that he's worried once affiliates actually start to learn how to sell on Amazon. It's not just selling within Amazon, they're the ones who know how to drive traffic to Amazon, and 90% of Amazon sellers don't know how to do that. But the affiliates own the traffic, they know how to flick switches to drive traffic right to an Amazon store. Amazon sellers should be scared when the affiliate marketers get in, and that's why we're joining the movement of Amazon and creating Sellers World Conference.